Today I've got this German Burg Wachter, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a Magno 400E40. Got two keys with it. It's a new lock, this one. I do like the little castle logo. And that's the bitting on the key. So it all works okay. Like I say, it's a new lock. So to pick it open, we're going to use the homemade pick, which is a half diamond made out of an axle blade, and an homemade tension tool. So we'll just tension him up, do it in my hand, and let's see if we can get this open in a reasonable time. They're normally decent little locks, these German locks. They can actually give you a little fight sometimes. So it didn't take too long to open that one. But like I say, they are normally decent little locks. Anyway, that's it for now. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Try a bit.